Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the camera photos, watermark or timestamp font style on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then in here, tap on Watermark, tap on the left-hand side panel. Next, we scroll down and then go to the Style section and then tap on Font. From the list here, you can choose Roboto, Samsung Sharp Sans, or Note to Serif. Select one of the options. And then in here, if you want to choose a custom message, you can tap on the checkbox to switch it off or turn it on. You can tap on the Edit button to change your watermark here. So my city, tap on save, and then you can choose to display the date and timestamp or not. And that's it. Now if we go back and take a photo, and then I will open up that picture, it will show my timestamp and the watermark of that message. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.